Hey guys. So I wanted to do a video on the Hoover SmartWash Plus Professional Series that I bought from Home Depot last week. I've had it for about a week now. It's doing an awesome job cleaning our carpets. We are going to be getting new carpet for all the bedrooms, except we're leaving these two rugs. Alright, because my mom, dad like them. So anyways, let's put the cord in the wrap. So I'm going to show you how this thing does. We're going to be cleaning this rug. I vacuumed it with the Shark Duo Clean Power Lift Away. But anyways, here we go. We're going to step on the power switch. There's also a block right here, press that, now it's like broken. To get it there's an excellent job. So that does about it for the video. I just want to show everybody how it does. Please comment, subscribe for more.